how to add randomized motion to your layers without having to do it manually. There is a very easy way to do that, and I will show you right now. So here we have all of these shapes that are animating from the center because they are connected to this null object right here. But what if we wanted all of these elements to shake around randomly, like if we were looking at this from a handheld camera? Let's bring out the null's position because they are all connected to the null, which is the main control of the whole scene. In fact, let me rename this null control, so that way we know this is like our control layer. And remember, these are all linked with the parent and link, just like we talked about it in the previous video. And the trick to do this is to just hold Alt and click on the position parameter for control, because this is what we want to shake around the position. To bring out the expressions editor, and then type wiggle, open parentheses, and 2 numbers. The first number represents how shaky, how twitchy it is, like how many times does it alter the value. In this case it's 1 time every second, but we can set this to 3. And this is how much do we want to alter the value that we're applying this wiggle to. Let's say that we want to randomize the position by 100 every time. So this is gonna be pretty insane because it's moving 100 pixels randomly, constantly. So as you can see, it's pretty ridiculous. It's not even like a handheld camera. We need it to be more subtle, right? So we bring down the number, which is the amplitude. The second number is the amplitude. So we bring down the amplitude to let's say 25, which is 4 times less. And let's say a wiggle of 2 times a second. So now it is much more subtle. It's moving a lot less, but it still is very twitchy. It's like shaking left and right. So let's bring down the amplitude once more to 1. So it's only gonna randomize it 1 time every second. So it's only gonna randomize it half as much. And as you can see, now it is a lot more believable. It almost seems like we're getting close to this, holding a camera on our hands. So we can apply this randomized wiggle motion to everything that you can imagine inside of After Effects. Like for example, flickering lights, rotations, and different kinds of elements, like any animation that you can create. Anything that has a stopwatch can be wiggled and randomized like this in just a few seconds, really. All it takes is really to write wiggle and the numbers according to what type of wiggle you want. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like and let me know if you have any other curious questions related to After Effects down in the comments below, and I will address them on the next video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you on the next video.